The design and execution of home finishes significantly impact the overall quality of residential spaces. From walls to appliances, each element plays a crucial role in creating functional, aesthetically pleasing, and safe environments. Today, in this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of home finishes, providing detailed insights for homeowners, architects, and builders. By understanding the importance of each component and making informed decisions, you can elevate your living spaces to new heights. Home finishes encompass a wide range of features, both visible and concealed. These elements contribute to the overall functionality, comfort, and aesthetics of a home. Let's now explore various aspects of home finishes, offering practical advice and expert recommendations. Walls serve as the canvas upon which life unfolds. Proper plastering and painting not only enhance visual appeal, but also protect against wear and tear. Well-finished walls create a sense of harmony and comfort. Today, we'll discuss the design and material selection for walls plastering and painting. Plaster types vary, including gypsum, lime, or cement-based plaster, based on whether the wall is interior or exterior. Paint selection also presents a vast world, and we will try to cover it in future posts. To start the painting process, we first need to prepare the surface meticulously by filling cracks and sanding. Then we apply primer to ensure proper paint adhesion, and don't forget to use masking tape for clean edges during painting. Flooring finishes. Flooring is the foundation of any interior space. It affects comfort, acoustics, and overall functionality. Choosing the right flooring material is essential for long-term satisfaction. It's a huge world, and we will try to cover it in future. To select the flooring types, we need to look at options such as hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, or carpet, based on traffic patterns and room function. To start in the flooring process, we first need to hire experienced professionals for installation. In future, we will try to give more details on how to make flooring. The key to successful flooring is to follow manufacturer guidelines for installation, cleaning, and maintenance. Ceiling finishes. Ceilings contribute significantly to the overall ambiance. Whether functional or decorative, they impact the perception of space and comfort. Design and material selection is another important aspect. The ceiling material can be chosen from gypsum board, wood, or metal, considering durability and aesthetics. By understanding the importance of each component and making informed decisions, you can elevate your living spaces to new heights. Home finishes encompass a wide range of features, both visible and concealed. These elements contribute to the overall functionality, comfort, and aesthetics of a home. Air conditioning systems. Comfort and energy efficiency depend on a well-designed AC system. Proper installation and maintenance are critical. The design of the AC system must be chosen by a professional who will choose between central AC, split units, ducted or ductless systems based on your home's layout. AC units and installation costs vary high. Factor in long-term savings from energy-efficient systems. For execution, you need to hire HVAC professionals for installation. And in the future, you need to regularly clean filters and make the needed repairs. Plumbing systems. Proper plumbing ensures water supply, drainage, and sanitation. Neglecting plumbing can lead to costly repairs and inconvenience. Plumbing materials are divided into two main categories: pipes and sanitary fixtures. Pipe material selection can be chosen from options like copper, PEX, or PVC, and the sanitary fixture selection can vary based on the owner's selection, and it is basically choosing the types of sinks, showers, and water closets, WC. Plumbing costs can escalate due to unforeseen issues. Allocate a contingency budget. Prioritize functionality and reliability. For execution, there must be professional plumbers for installation and repairs, and regularly inspect for leaks and maintain fixtures. Firefighting systems. Fire safety is non-negotiable. Proper firefighting systems protect lives and property. Here are the key components. Smoke detectors. Install interconnected smoke detectors in key areas such as bedrooms, hallways, and kitchens. Regularly test and replace batteries. Fire extinguishers. Place fire extinguishers strategically throughout the home. Know how to use them effectively. Different types of extinguishers are suitable for different types of fires, such as Class A, B, C. Automatic sprinkler systems. Consider installing automatic sprinklers. These can suppress fires quickly, minimizing damage. Design and material selection of firefighting equipment. Smoke detectors. Choose reliable interconnected smoke detectors. Some models can send alerts to your phone. Fire extinguishers, ABC rated fire extinguishers. Keep one in the kitchen, garage, and near bedrooms. Sprinkler systems. Consult with professionals to design a sprinkler system that covers all areas effectively. Fire safety is an investment. Allocate funds for quality smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and sprinkler systems. For execution, follow local regulations regarding fire safety and regularly inspect and maintain all firefighting systems. Interior design significantly impacts the overall ambiance and functionality of a home. Thoughtful design choices create a harmonious living space, enhancing both comfort and style. Let's delve into the color palette. Choose a cohesive color scheme that reflects your personal style. It's also important to consider the psychology of colors, like calming blues and energizing yellows, to set the desired mood in each room. Moving on to furniture selection. Invest in quality furniture that complements the space. It's crucial to consider comfort, durability, and aesthetics to ensure that your furniture not only looks great, but also stands the test of time. Interior design costs vary widely. If needed, consult with a professional interior designer. Allocate funds for furniture, decor, and any design services. Home appliances enhance convenience, efficiency, and daily life. Choosing the right appliances is essential. It is an essential part of our homes, therefore, it needs to be energy efficient and provide the needed technologies and functionalities. During the last decade, we have seen a rise in smart appliances such as smart thermostats, smart kitchens, smart lighting, and so on. Appliances can be a significant expense. Prioritize essential appliances first, such as the refrigerator, stove, washer, and dryer. Mastering home finishes involves a holistic approach. By understanding the importance of each element, making informed design choices, budgeting wisely, and executing with care, homeowners can create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also functional and safe. Remember to tailor these principles to your specific needs and preferences. Stay tuned to the upcoming videos where we will discuss more about each item we discussed in this video. Follow us on our social media platforms and visit our website blog at www.buildingslead.com. Enjoy building!